In this video, we're going to look at how you can access banned websites without using a VPN. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel, then open it from the results. Once the Control Panel opens, check how it is displayed. If it's set to Category View, you can change it by clicking on Category and switching to large icons. After that, click on Network and Sharing Center. Here, you'll see your active internet connection listed. Click on the connection name, then select Properties. Scroll down through the list until you find Internet Protocol version 4 and double-click on it to open its settings. At this point, we're going to change the DNS server. By default, your system uses the DNS provided by your internet service provider. If certain websites are banned, they are usually blocked at the ISP's DNS level. What we'll do instead is use Google's DNS servers so that we can access websites directly without relying on the DNS of the internet service provider. Select the option to use custom DNS addresses, then enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes, then click OK again to close the remaining windows. To confirm that the DNS has been updated successfully, click on Details in your network status window. You should now see that the IPv4 DNS servers have changed to the Google DNS addresses. Once this is done, you should be able to access websites that were previously blocked by your internet service provider through your browser. That said, while this method works well, there is an even easier and more reliable solution, especially if you want consistent access, better privacy, and protection across all websites and apps. Using a VPN like NordVPN allows you to instantly bypass restrictions by changing your IP address and routing your traffic through secure servers worldwide. It also encrypts your internet connection, protects your personal data, and prevents tracking, which is especially useful on public or office Wi-Fi networks. With just one tap, you can connect to a different location and access blocked websites without needing to change browser settings. If you want the simplest and most powerful solution, I highly recommend NordVPN for its speed, security, and ease of use. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on a TV or another device, you can scan the QR code on screen to get started with NordVPN.